Hello, this is Rocco from Roaming with Rocco. Down in the Florida Keys, past couple weeks it has not rained. And I want to show you something. This is like a brackish lake, freshwater lake. And where my bike is at, that's where the water was up to about 2 months ago. You can see the edge. It goes into the mangroves itself, so that's how dry it's been down here. So just thought I'd let you know, because it's all about the coronavirus. Yeah. So, thought I'd show you this. Sorry about the sun. You can see how this thing is dry. Okay, this is Rocco from Roaming with Rocco. Rock on it.